G'day and welcome to Bens Worx. Throughout the month of December, I'm going to treat you guys to a series called Christmas Quickies. I'll be releasing a new video every Wednesday and Saturday. Before I start making the snow globe, I'm just going to run through the process of how I made the blank. Making this blank is super easy. The first thing I did was I got my mould. This is actually a Q-tip container. Then I cut a piece of walnut burl to fit inside. Then take your resin. This is the art cast kit from Just Resin. Add some white ink and pour it over the top of your burl. Once that's cured, take some more resin, add 1 drop of blue ink, pour it all over the top and leave it overnight to cure. And once you pop it out of the mould, you'll have a nice looking blank like this. If you want to give resin casting a go yourself, head over to justresin.com.au. You can grab yourself 10% off just by using code word BENSWORX. Now I've got the blank all made up, I'm going to put it on the lathe and we'll start turning it.